In this video, I want to demonstrate how to animate the explosion or the collapse. So currently I have my part in the exploded state. If I want it in the collapse state, I can come over to the exploded view in the configuration manager tree, right click on it and tell it to collapse. If I want to animate the explosion, I right click on the exploded view and I select animate explode, and the animation controller will open up and my part will explode. So I'll just play that again. And here we can check and see if our part is unthreading correctly. And if I couldn't see it in that, I'll slow it down and play it one more time. And it is spinning the correct direction, so I don't need to reverse the direction of rotation. I can also play it quickly. I can tell it to loop, or to explode, and then to collapse. I'll just put it back to normal mode. I can also put it back to the start. I can put it through each step or to the final step, and I can move it here through the timeline. Right beside the timeline, I see this total animation will take 2 seconds. And lastly, if I want, I can select this button and I can save this as an AVI file. Just close this. So if I want to animate and take a video of it collapsing rather than exploding, I can also, from the exploded view, right click on it and tell it to animate the collapse, and I could save just that video.